Hello everybody, it is Monday. My name is Brian. I sell clothing full-time on eBay, used clothing. We're gonna go over 10 items that sold over the weekend. We have 29 orders going out for $876, which is not great for like weekend sales. I don't know if it's just like summer slowdown or what, but for whatever reason, sales aren't super up for me right now. Just like today, or this weekend rather. So sales have been generally pretty good for me. Haven't really noticed anything, and for whatever reason this weekend it kind of hit me. I had a few returns and things like that, so I had to refund some people. Maybe, you know, I got a ding or whatever and just didn't get sales. So I don't know, but things like this happen. You just gotta keep going and keep listing, and you know, things will all work themselves out. Obviously fourth quarter generally a little bit better, so you just gotta keep listing, getting that store up, growing it, and of course sales will come in. So I'm not too worried about it. It is what it is. Let's pick some items to show you guys, and let's ship them out. All right, real quick, if you guys don't already know, I get my colored poly bags from Jiaropack. I have a bunch of different colors here. Pink, I really like this green one here, and there also is a thank you bag. Oh, there it is. And they just sent me these flower ones and tan ones as well. I've been using this company for a while, and they make amazing products. My favorite thing, as you guys know, is that when you rip these little tags off, they actually, little things here, actually leave your fingers, and it doesn't stick to your fingers as much as the ones I used to buy from Amazon. So definitely check them out, guys. Check out their website. They have poly mailers, bubble mailers, all sorts of different size boxes that you guys may need. Any of your shipping needs can be met with Jiaropack. Again, I've been using them for a while. I think that they just have great products, much better than the stuff I used to buy from Amazon. So check them out, guys. Good products, they have good customer service. I've spoken to them, and yeah, definitely recommend checking them out. Obviously, they're sending me poly bags, so it makes sense that I would say that, but I've been using this company for a while, even before they were doing that. So good company, check them out, guys. Oh yeah, totally forgot about the promo code. Use the promo code RONNING10 down below. Sort of new at this. 10% off your first order. Definitely check it out. Use my code. Can save you quite a bit, especially if you buy a large quantity of poly bags. That 10% can really help you out. So definitely make sure to use the promo code RONNING10. All right, I took a best offer on this item here. It is a vintage Woolrich flannel. It's like a green plaid. And yeah, sold for $49 shipped. So I took a best offer on this. I think I had it listed for $55. Took a best offer of 40. So, you know, if I wanted to wait, maybe I could have got a little bit more for it, but that's okay. It sold very quickly for almost $50 shipped. So good sale there. Woolrich, a lot of the new stuff like isn't great. If you want to sell Woolrich stuff, you got to pick up the better stuff, like nice jackets with elbow patches and things like that. Just like a regular button-up, a lot of times aren't really going to go for money. But vintage stuff and thick flannels like this do well. It's 100% wool, made in USA, good pattern, really good condition. So yeah, had a lot going for it. Very good item there. All right, this didn't sell super quickly like it used to. Vior used to sell super quickly, but it is the brand Vior. It is size medium shorts. Has like a ripstop pattern, which is like those crisscross like lines. That's generally in like utility pants or stuff like that. But yeah, Vior, great brand. I feel like it just doesn't sell like it used to. For a while there, they were like, they weren't giving people Veros, but they were like contacting people and being like, where's the receipts for your guys' items? I don't know, it was really weird, but they don't do it anymore, so the market's getting more flooded. Still a great brand to sell. I mean, it sold for a decent amount, sold for $34 plus $6 shipping. So yeah, like 40, yeah. So great sale there, great brand to pick up, but it is just taking longer than it used to, especially if you want to try to get like that top dollar for the items. But yeah, Vior, great brand. All right, this is a new brand for me. It is TwinSix. It is like a cycling jersey brand. We have a lot of bikers here in Arizona. So I find cycling jerseys, but I'm always finding new brands. I don't know too much about the category. I just know some can go for money. This one sold for $29 plus $6 shipping. Sold rather quickly. I picked up a few of these So excited to see one sell. And yeah, for decent money. So cycling jerseys, definitely look them up. If your town, you know, if in your thrift stores you can find a bunch of these, definitely start learning the brands. They do, or they can go for money. So yeah, great sell there. All right, love selling this brand, Rensper. This was like a Blu-rays shirt. You know, they sell Hawaiian shirts, floral shirts. This one was floral, but also had some baseball print on it, somebody sliding, and yeah, super cool. Went for $29 plus $6 shipping, which is great. I sold a Diamondbacks one not too long ago. It didn't go for as much money, so it's kind of funny. It sold because they were like in the World Series. Did they win or lose? I can't even remember. But yeah, it didn't go for as much money, so I thought I was kind of interested to see that if this was going to sell for more, and it surely did. Decent price, 29 plus 6. So anything Rensper pretty much is a no-brainer. Pick it up, especially their like limited edition shirts can go for a lot of money. All right, here is an Outerknown flannel. This one, I picked up like 5 of these. This one in particular was fairly faded. The other ones were in like perfect condition. So this one was in the worst condition out of all of them, and it sold super quickly for $25 plus $9 shipping. So yeah, I'm trying to get over $40 for those nicer ones that are in better condition. This one, I just took a best offer and let it go since it was like fairly faded and kind of worn. So Outerknown, very good brand. Very excited. I think this is the first time I've ever found them. I might have found them one other time. I don't know. But yeah, fairly new brand for me. And lucky to find a big pack of them. Found like 5 or so. So very good brand. All right, we have this Tommy Bahama floral shirt. It is a size, it is 100% silk, size medium, and it had like little surfing Santas on them. So that's why it sold for $25 plus $6 shipping. I took a best offer. I probably could have waited till it was actually around Christmas time and would have got a lot more for it probably. But I just said, screw it. I kind of just want to see it gone. So, I mean, I thought 25 was fine. That was fair. So, didn't want to wait on it. Just let it go. But anything, you know, Tommy Bahama or Rensper, any of these like higher end brands, if they have a Christmas print, they can go for a lot of money around Christmas time. Or you can just sell them for less money in the summertime. All right, here we have a pair of Robert Graham pants, and they went for $31 plus $9 shipping, size 34. Probably could have waited, got more for it. Robert Graham's a great brand, and I think these pants were fairly desirable. Just a cool sort of like green plaid, I don't know. So Robert Graham's a great brand. Shirts, pants, pretty much anything from them is gonna sell for decent money. And I wanna say I picked this up for less than $10. Actually, I think they mispriced this one. I think it was only like $5 or something like that. And it was the only, I remember it was the only item I found in that Goodwill that I went to. So yeah, good pickup there. Pretty cool pair of pants. All right, we have this vintage Yes denim jacket, jean jacket, sold for $30 plus $9 shipping. These like denim trucker jackets in general are gonna do pretty well, and it's sold in the summertime, which is nice. And yeah, anything like trucker jacket related, you know, definitely look up the brand and see if it sells. Vintage Guess stuff is like okay. Some of it can go for money, some of it's nothing. But this is, you know, just sort of like in style trucker jacket. So sold for a decent amount of money, and yeah, great sell. All right, I literally listed this last night and it sold before I woke up. I wasn't even finished filling in the box. I didn't finish photos for the rest of the items, so the box isn't finished, so it's still inside. It's an Under Armour athlete recovery sleepwear, brand new with tags, size 3XL. And it sold for $30 plus $6 shipping. Yeah, Under Armour typically does pretty well for me And then the fact that it's new with tags, obviously, you know, a lot of you guys are afraid to kind of pay up for items that have new with tags. Definitely worth paying a few extra bucks. I mean, I think I paid $10 for this, so 10 into 36, not bad. And it's super lightweight, should be cheap to ship out, just a couple bucks. So yeah, definitely I definitely undersold it, could have listed it for more. I didn't really know, I didn't want to spend a ton of time researching how much it was worth. I just figured I'd put up a good price, sell it super quickly, get my money back, and yeah, made a decent profit there. All right, we sold this Tory Richard button-up shirt, size large, sold for $20 plus $6 shipping, which isn't bad. It's got a really cool like turtle and fish print. This is one of the better prints. Tory Richard, I know I've said in the past, I've said in my videos that I picked these up, and I used to love this brand. This used to be one of my favorite brands because they just had such cool prints. They were really cheap to ship out. They're super light. I personally just like the shirts, like the way they fit and stuff. I don't know, they're just cool shirts. So I always liked selling these, but they've gone really downhill. They're kind of hard to sell. I mean, even this one this is one of the better prints and it took a while to sell. Size large and under isn't that great. The XLs do a little bit better. But they are taking a while to sell, and some of the more plain prints where maybe there's just two colors, like a white and a blue floral print or something. Something like that, not doing as well, something like this. So I'm kind of staying away from this brand, but little pockets of items, if it's like an XL and has a good pattern, I'll probably still pick it up, or if I can get it for super cheap, you know, like a half off day or something like that. So I can get it for like $2.50 or something, you know. So happy to see it go, and definitely, you know, a little weary about picking up this brand now. All right, that is the 10 items, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I have to finish shipping out the rest of the orders, and then I'm gonna go out sourcing, come home, do the photography list, and I'll be done with eBay for the day, and then I'll work on my other businesses. So yeah, if you guys enjoy the comment, please like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys hanging out. Let me know if you guys are having any summer slowdowns or anything like that. Curious to see what other sellers are thinking and what's kind of going on in your business. Let me know in the comment section, and I'll get back to you. So have a good one, guys. Peace out.